Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today we're going to do some stovetop cooking on the Concept 2 Mini. So right now I've got a fire going. I'm also baking in this oven. So please keep in mind, right now I don't really have a roaring hot fire going. Actually, I literally have one log in here. And the reason for that is because if I had a roaring hot fire going, I would be burning my cakes in the oven. So when you're baking something, your cooktop temperature is going to be much lower than if you just had a blazing hot fire but you weren't actually baking anything. So I'm gonna give you some measurements on the cooktop. So all the way to the left-hand side, we're operating at 200 degrees. All the way to the right-hand side of the stove, when facing it, we're operating at 260 degrees. So when facing the front of the stove, the right-hand side is going to be a little bit hotter. These are the front corners, and actually the rear's pretty comparable. Alright, so 260 degrees is what we have on our cooktop. Which is fine for a low temperature cooking. Now, when I was just running the stove really hot, I did see this cooktop hit 500 degrees. So one really, really big question that I get is, hey, you know, the firebox is way on the bottom, we have an oven, and then we have a cooktop. Is this cooktop actually going to get hot enough that I can actually do some cooking on it? The answer to that question is yes, definitely. No problem getting the cooktop hot. Again, of course you want to plan it out. So if you're baking, you plan to cook lower temperature things. If you are just doing stovetop cooking, then absolutely get it roaring and have a good hot fire. So today I am making sautéed zucchini. This is zucchini with a little bit of water, avocado oil, and salt and pepper. So my diet is kind of simple. I mostly eat a lot of vegetables, and maybe that's just because I haven't expanded my horizon with more recipes. So if you folks have recipes that you would like to see me try and make, please share them with me. Otherwise you're going to see me cooking a lot of greens and stuff like that, but I'm always open to suggestions. I do want to point out that today I'm cooking in a cast iron pan. So I've done a couple of different cooking videos now, and they kind of vary. I've used a stainless steel pan, I've used Teflon, and I've used cast iron. So definitely you can use any type of pan on a wood cook stove and not have any type of issues with that. So I'm going to keep you guys updated through my cooking process. Again, we're cooking at a low temperature, so this is going to take a little bit longer, but it's still going to taste delicious. Alright, update on the zucchini. It is done and looking delicious. So I pulled the food out of my oven. Now the stove has been running on a medium setting for about a half an hour since I pulled my food out of the oven. And our cooktop is now reading 350 degrees. So about 100-degree temperature rise on our cooktop since we were baking in the oven. And that cooktop measurement is coming with the oven being at 525 degrees. I really hope that you guys enjoy these videos, that you find them helpful to see people cooking on the stoves before you're making a purchase. If you have any questions about cooking, baking, or just cook stoves in general, please reach out. We're always available to answer any questions that you have. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.